Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to create a free account in ManyChat in 2025. ManyChat is one of the most popular chatbot platforms that works with Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp, and the free plan is perfect if you are just starting out. Step 1. Open your browser and go to ManyChat.com. On the home page, click on Get Started Free. Step 2. Choose how you want to sign up. You can sign in with Google, Facebook, or use your email. For most people, signing in with Google is the fastest. Step 3. Connect your social media. ManyChat will ask you which platform do you want to use, such as Facebook or Instagram, and it will automatically detect your page or account. Step 4. Enter your details. Fill in your name, business type, and what you plan to use the chatbot for. Step 5. Once everything is set up, you will land inside the ManyChat dashboard. From here, you can explore features like automated replies, chatbot flows, and templates. And that is it. Your free ManyChat account is now ready to go in 2025. If this tutorial helped you, remember to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what chatbot tutorial you want me to cover next.